Welcome to our daily movement session. Let's begin. Bring your hands together. Just gently bring one arm back. When you come to the middle, sink down just a little bit. 10 minutes, real gentle movements, but we're going to be incredibly focused and remarkably intentional about our movements. Hopefully we'll get to 10 minutes today. I just got absolutely battered with hail, but I feel like we might have a little bit of a window here. So let's move with joy, appreciation for the fact that we get to move our bodies while we continue to build this remarkable mobility, strength, stamina, and so much more. Okay, from this position here, back of the hands together, sink down a bit again, and just swim the arms back. Feel that in the shoulders, the upper back, head up high. Breathe into the movement. And a big exhale when you come to the top. Oh yes. Can boost our mood. I just have to say boost your mood and it makes me happy. Relieve a little bit of stress with just some simple, gentle movements to start our day. One more here. Oh, lovely. Nice, playful side bend. Really shift your weight from side to side. Bring your hand up overhead. Don't worry about the helicopter. There's always going to be distractions. That's why we practice our mindful moment at the end. So it helps us to stay more focused, more present. And when life happens, we just notice and let it pass on by. Get more and more playful with your side bend. Just float your body in your space. Breathe into it. Maybe your arm comes up just a little bit higher. You start to make a circle when you come back. We're sinking down a bit, building that amazing leg strength. Oh, I've kind of changed the move. There we go. It's okay. Let's just appreciate the movement. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just move. Okay. Oh, nice wide stance. Shift your weight from side to side. Come up onto your heel. Engage the core. Beautiful balance move. Wonderful for hip mobility. You can start to bring your hand down. You sink a little bit. This is going to look differently for each of us. This can be a bit of a tricky move, depending on where you're at in the day. No judgments, no criticisms of yourself. You are great. You're here, getting better every single day. Feel that in your shoulders, your upper back, as well as the legs. Oh. I think we might have to keep this session short today. It's lovely to be out the rain. It's not quite as cold now. Unfortunately, our equipment doesn't love the rain as much as I do. Okay, shake it out a bit. Bring your fingers together. Bring your feet in more, less than shoulder width. Squat down and rise up. Just an extra mobility component when the hands are together like this. Feel that in the shoulders. in your traps. Breathe in when you come down. Nice big exhale. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Oh. You can reach just a little bit further back. Bend your back. Oh, let's do a couple more like that. Really reach back, bending, look to the sky. Last one. All right, all right. Well done. Oh, let's continue to build balance. Arms out, leg comes up. One leg. Maybe you need to hold on to something for some support. Wonderful. Couple more on this side. Other leg. This will feel different. Keep those arms up if you can. Feel that strength in your shoulders you're creating. It's helping with balance to have your arms out, but it's also building strength. Okay, couple more. All right, well done. Let's have some fun with this movement. Nice athletic stance. Swing your arms. Big swing of the arms. And then when the right arm gets to the top, come up onto your tippy toes, onto the balls of your feet. Just real playful. Yeah, yeah. Smile, have some fun. As we move in the rain, when we're consistent and show up all the time, it's not gonna be pretty every day. It's gonna be messy. Sometimes we just gotta put our shoes on, put our head down, and go for it. Okay, swing the arms. Now when the left arm comes to the top, whoop, whoop. Great balance movement, core stability. Amazing mobility in our shoulders. Oh, we're unlocking some superpower here. Superpower of fun. Oh, pardon me. Movement is awesome. Couple more. Oh, wow. So good, so good. I feel a million times better. Oh, thank you. Let's finish. Similar to already what we've done, but we're building balance. Knee comes up, arms out, kick the foot, come on down. The crane. You know what this is from? The Karate Kid. Yeah, the original. He teaches them the crane. That's how he beats, what is it? Cobra Kai. Yeah. Sorry. Stick with the move. Don't do any foolishness like me. Find a spot, give it all your attention, all your awareness, and just see what you can do. Check out the possibilities. You are limitless. All right, last couple. And then one more. Great. That's the kick from the Karate Kid. Yes, I'm the winner. Okay, well done. Session complete. Things got a little silly. I apologize. Maybe it's the rain and the hail and all the craziness. Let's take a moment together, if you will. Pick a spot. How about this beautiful tree? Right there. Laser-like attention. Give it all your focus. Train your eyes on right on that spot. We're building concentration. The ability to pay attention. Let's go. Avoid distraction. Ooh. Our attention is our greatest resource. Let's practice getting it stronger. Don't let those tech companies steal our attention. Better cut her short today. It's getting dark again. Excuse me for the sillies today. Thank you so much for being here. I am truly grateful. I can't wait to do this again tomorrow. I will see you then. Thank you and goodbye.